Good morning, people. Chef Olive, Kitchen on Fire. I am going to make you something really good. It's a dessert, but it's a snack. Very, very little sugar. I'm going to put as little sugar as I can. I'm going to make it with you, and we're going to do maybe a teaspoon or two. So that recipe is very basic. There's a few things in it. Very simple. I have some coconut manna, coconut oil, and cocoa powder. Cocoa powder. So chocolate manna, coconut oil, and chocolate powder. So chocolate powder, not very complicated. Okay, good chocolate. I'm going to show you the brand that I use. My coconut manna is, just so you know, it's this guy. And you see the difference? You see that? Really good stuff. It's the meat. And I have coconut oil, and also I'm going to add coconut shaved also. Why not, right? I mean, we're here. Might as well. I going to put some butter also. I really like butter, so I'll add a little butter to that. Okay. Um, First thing I need to do is put my coconut oil and my coconut manna very low, really, really low. Okay. I need to melt that, really, guys. Super low, really. That's where we need to easy, easy. Okay. I just want to melt, and that's it. I'm gonna put a little butter because you know how it is. And I put the chocolate in it. So watch that and don't leave it too long, guys. I'm serious. Don't burn it, don't cook it, don't do anything. It's just to melt it. I'm gonna put some of the nuts in and some of the nuts on the top. It's really simple, huh? This is gonna go here. The chocolate is gonna go in there. Some of the nut, a little bit on the top. So put some in there and then keep some for the top. You can put goji berries, any type of berries. Pretty actually blueberries. I love blueberries. So I'm gonna put nuts, pistachio. These guys, I forgot the name. I think it's pumpkin or something. So this is something you have to watch, guys. Don't you can see? Huh? It's just that's all I'm doing. Huh? That is all I'm doing. Okay, that's it. Shut it off. Off. Not very difficult, huh? You guys, what do you think? Not very difficult. Let me put some coconut also. This is not in the recipe. Is that bad? No. No. Look at that. You know already it's going to be good, right? I mean, you can tell. Super good. I'm going to put, you guys, I'm going to put more coconut. No, I'm going to put some dried fruits, some some of that. Keep some for the top. Keep some to the top. Put some almond in there. Boom. And keep it a bit for the top. Some of the dried fruits. And we're going to keep some for the top. Pretty cool, huh? See? I mean, seriously, how, like, you think that's difficult? Seriously? That's it. I'm going to put more coconut. You guys, I'm changing the recipe a little bit from what I gave you, okay? But you can see, whatever, right? So I'm going to put more chocolate because I love it a lot. So more cocoa. Yeah. Cool. I'm going to put that, go in the fridge, 20 minutes, basta. Super cool. All right. Now, Look how pretty that's going to go. All right. I can't reshape it. It's fine. All the goodies, people. Make sure that all the stuff comes out, okay? And then at the end, when you know you're done, I forgot the sugar. Okay, needs to go back. Forget my sugar. Stupido. I forgot the sugar, people, and the vanilla, so I messed up entirely. Good. All right, so go back. So this is all melted. Go back to beginning. Okay, everything is ready to go on my tray. Now I need to. So everything is ready to go on my tray. All right, you guys, I need to finish that. So now I'm making a mess. I need to sweeten it. How to open something that's locked? You guys don't know that? Look. There you go. So this is about 2 cups. I'm going to put about maybe 1 tablespoon max. 1 tablespoon. That's really little. That's all I need. Not even. Look, a big teaspoon. That's all. That's all I'm going to put. Big teaspoon. Okay. Now the best way to do is to try with every few minutes. So you guys, I'm going to put the back of my spoon. Perfect. Little vanilla. See? Beautiful. Very little sugar. Just so it doesn't, that's all. Okay. So I'm ready to go. So now all I need to do is put some orange zest. I got some organic orange. Okay. That's going to be a really good in there. So I'm going to do the all orange. First of all, it's super good for you. So remember, I do that for a reason. It's a dessert. It's also a very, very strong antioxidant base. So orange, chocolate, coconut, those are super, super food. So basically, it's like medicine, but million times better. This is medicine is not good. This is really good. Okay, so now let's mix again. Let's try again. Let's get another spoon. Wow, super good. Get a tray. And there we go. I line it with the parchment paper, so it's going to be easier to cut after that. So that's it. Goes in. Boom. And it's very liquidy now. You could wait a little bit so it chills and harden it up, or it's going to harden in the fridge, so you guys don't wait too much, okay? You can see it's very pretty, huh? That's all the fat. That's the shiny part, all the good stuff. And now, all you need to do is, see, pistachio. I love pistachio. More blue blues, walnut, right? Walnut. Okay, the walnut. More blueberries. Yes. That's why. Um, cool. Goji berries are fun because they're red, so it's super pretty. Dried raspberry, dried strawberries. Don't put fresh fruits in there. Fresh berry would go if that. Freeze, yes. If it's just going in the fridge, it's gonna mold. So no. Look, that's it. Now I'm gonna go in the fridge for 25 minutes, and I will show you what it looks like. Cool. Great. So see, it looks great. Beautiful stuff that keeps in the fridge really well. Keep it in the fridge. Okay, that's all. Uh, how long do they keep? You know, people ask me that. I don't know. For a week's easy, but just don't keep it too long. Eat it. That's good for you. Okay. So just in the fridge. Perfect. Cool. See you next.